What's the difference between a successful professional and an average one? Have you ever thought about that? The answer is that successful people can keep the pace with innovation. The IT sector is continuously evolving. People are very busy with their daily tasks because this industry is extremely demanding. As a result, we often have no time to dedicate to self-improvement. I know it very well because I already experienced it. That's why I started this project. I am an IT professional just like you who wants to spread his knowledge about the most trending topics in the tech world because I know that the success in your career depends on how up to date you are with the latest technologies and methodologies. I am providing both online courses and remote sessions in which you can interact with the instructor, taking an active part in the learning process. If this is not enough, and you have specific needs which can't be satisfied by the standard offer, contact me, and I will design a customized solution to solve your problem. The courses are targeted to both inexperienced people as well as advanced professionals. They are modular, they are all easy to follow and practice-oriented, as every IT tutorial should be. Therefore, if you are a beginner who would like to land a job in the IT field, or you are a professional who would like to be more successful in their career, this is the place for you. You can subscribe my YouTube channel where I constantly upload new video material. You can check my website at www.informationarmada.com and you can follow me on Twitter at my handle @informarmada or on my Facebook page which is called Information Armada as well. Check the description of the video to retrieve all the links. Follow me and support me because I need your contribution. Have fun learning and see you in the next video. Ciao!